हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज पार्ट 2 ऑफ द त्रिशा शाह पॉडकास्ट एंड इस पे हमने बात करी है फ्रेंडशिप्स के बारे में। इस पे हमने बात करी है कि एग्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म के बारे में हमने बात करी है, जिंदगी के बारे में हमने उसकी कहानियां सुनी हैं कि वी वेंट इनटू पर्सनल, हमने उसकी मेंटल हेल्थ स्ट्रगल्स और काफ़ी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करी है। तो इसको भी तो पूरा सुनना, और पार्ट 1 नहीं दिखाया तो मैं डाल दूंगा यहाँ पे, वो भी देख लेना जरूर। और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब यूट्यूब पे और ऑडियो प्लेटफॉर्म पे फॉलो। दैट्स इट।
Okay, now I know your life has been really eventful, like living in Bombay and being in that school, college like that. So you're gonna talk about some more stuff. So let's talk about
Okay.
friendships. So what kind of a person are you when it comes to making friends or meeting people?
Okay, so I've always been an extrovert. I'll be that kid in a class who'll answer on the first day and, make plans and manage everyone and sit on all the benches just so I can talk to different people. Okay. So
Same. Us.
it was, yeah. Even online, dude, I met you virtually and I don't know, I'm just an open person. I have that thing about me which, I get comfortable around everyone. So, I'm pretty loud, I'm pretty outspoken, and I'm not the kind of person who will ever be labeled unapproachable. Like, people know that they can always come to me. So, I usually, interact with a lot of people, then half of them turn out to be snakes, and I'm stuck with the other half, and I keep them close. So, kind of like that.
So, how was your friendships during your school life? And when school life, I'm talking about also junior college, which is actually 11th
I
and
do not
12th.
count this
Okay.
as I don't count this as school,
11th
trust
एंड
me.
12th होता है, ठीक है,
I
कॉलेज अभी शुरू हुआ है.
अरे ठीक है यार, पर मेरे लिए मेरे लिए वो कॉलेज था, ठीक है. अभी एक तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के साथ आई डोंट इवन काउंट दिस एज कॉलेज. जस्ट okay,
That
whatever,
is
I'm
just
not counting
background.
that as
That is
school.
just background noise while you sleep.
I swear, dude, yesterday I missed the attendance link because I was sleeping in lecture. मैं 50 मिनट क्यों बैठी? So
Yeah.
okay, no. So see, right now when I look back to school, I just don't want to go back there. I don't really like my school. Not
So
gonna lie.
all life you have
Because
been in St. Xavier's, like since the
no.
starting.
No. Okay, so okay, so school ke liye 13 years of my life, I okay, do not laugh. It was called Shet Karamji Kanji English School.
Yeah.
It's this CBSE school which is 5 minutes from my place.
Oh. Yeah, continue.
Okay, so
Which school
my
did you
school
go
has
to?
2 names. My school has 2 names. Both of them are extremely bad. Do not judge it. The first one is SKKES, which is Shet Karamshi Kanji English School. And the second one is SMPR, which is Shet Motivan Panchai Rashtriya Shada.
School का
It's a
नाम है syllabus.
Gujarati trust. So basically, it's a Gujarati. So where I live, like my area, it's 80% Gujaratis. Like literally everyone is Gujarati. Even the people who are not Gujarati know Gujarati.
मस्त
Okay.
मेजॉरिटेरिज्म हो रहा है.
So
ढोकले पे जिंदगी काटी जा रही है.
oh,
ढोकला
shut up.
dominance.
Now this is stereotyping. Shut up.
ढोकला
I do love
dominance.
dhokla though.
ढोकला dominance.
Oh my God. Are you talking about my area or the country? Yeah, no political points. Sorry, guys. Okay, so basically, most of my school was like that, and I live in a pretty small town, like comparatively. Bombay में बहुत बड़ी जगह है, but I live in Mulund, which is like the end of Bombay, and it's a pretty small community. So, well, it was like everyone knows everyone. Okay, you grew up with these 180 people, you can't know anyone else. And I kept circulating between different groups of friends. So that was pretty normal of me. I guess, as I said, I'm pretty restless. So even when it comes to people, I sometimes cannot stick with them. Okay, I get bored really fast. So, in school, like in the beginning, it was okay. Like, dude, fifth standard, tak no one even cared about friends. Okay, चुपचाप जाओ,
It was like जिसके
पढ़ो,
साथ
टाइम
बैठ गए
पास
वो
करो,
मेरा
थोड़ा
दोस्त है.
सा गेट ग्रेड्स.
हाँ, इसके साथ जो मेरे साथ
यस
बैठ गया वो मेरा दोस्त है.
एग्जैक्टली, वो मेरा दोस्त है. मेरे पीछे जो बैठा वो मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड, आगे जो बैठा वो मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड, खत्म.
हाँ, और जिसने मेरी
Like, no,
क्लास में
if
मेरे
you
से
help
पहले
me,
आंसर किया, I
if you
don't
give
like
me
him.
notes. Yes, oh my god. Bro, true. अगर if the teacher praised your project, I don't like it. My project is
हाँ,
the best.
हाँ, मतलब अगर हम
So,
फर्स्ट नहीं आए हैं,
okay.
तो यार वो ना वो बायसिज्म चल रहा है, वो लड़के अच्छे नहीं हैं.
बहुत गंदा ब्रो, मेरे को नहीं पसंद nepotism. Yeah, so till 6th grade it was pretty much like that. Then the whole puberty teenage drama things come in, and it never really, like, I was always the person who will be like, listen, you know what, I don't have time for petty teenage shit, I have bigger problems in my life. Bye.
Yes.
I was always that kind of a person, because I wouldn't get affected by friendships as much as I would get affected by academically, or from my family.
Basically
That
stuff
mattered
that
more to me
basically
than,
stuff that directs your life. उस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान जाता है अपना.
yeah. And my family was like my top priority. I'm like, if my family does itna bullshit, you think you can hurt me? So then, yeah, so itna, it didn't affect me. But then, like 6th, 7th, 8th, I kept switching groups. And then in 9th grade, I actually, found these 4 people whom I really like. Okay. I was like, no, you're my favorite people. I'm going to do all my projects with you. And it actually kind of grew pretty well. So, but then 10th May, I had this one chick whom I knew for 12 years.
12
Okay.
years.
And I was 15 at that time. Okay. So basically she lived in front of my relative's place, and I spent all my vacations there. She was in the same classes as me. She was in the same school cut division as me. We were like best friends, BFFs, whatever bullshit that happened there.
वो जो एक
And
महीने
then
पहले
in-
काउंटडाउन डालते हैं.
Oh yes, she did do that. Okay, so yeah, so then like things got sour with that one friend who meant the world to me. Okay. And what resulted in that was she got close with a group of girls who were, I guess, higher on the status quo in the school, which now I realize is very dumb and stupid.
Yeah,
So,
like,
basically,
वो जो
it
स्कूल
was
वाला
a
क्लाउड होता है वो
bunch
स्कूल
of
के साथ खत्म हो जाता है.
huh. So, it was like a bunch of 10, 12 girls. And she got close to them, and I was pretty mad about it. But then I realized that they were my mistakes too. And at one point, when things get too toxic, you have to leave them, right? So it was both of our faults, and we were kids. So it's okay. Like now, I'm like, it's okay. But then in 10th grade, that 15-year-old Trisha did not take that well. So like, I fought. Of course, I fought. And I kind of became like a social... I kind of became like a social pariah in school. I was like... During lunches, I was like, I can hang out with these people because, they do know me. But then I feel like I'm intruding. Okay. There were like
that's
only
a feeling
these
I
two
also
girls.
got. Like,
Yeah.
जब like it happened like after 10th ना मेरे लिए it was कि after 10th most of my friend group it went for commerce or humanities.
Okay.
And I was kind of the only person, like मेरे वहाँ भी I had good friends जो कि मेरे साथ थे. पर वो एक होता है ना कि तुम्हारा जो जिनके साथ तुमने 10th गुजारा primarily,
Exactly.
वो ग्रुप चेंज उधर चला गया. एंड अब इट्स लाइक कि अगर वो लोग उधर लंच कर रहे हैं तो आई वांट टू गो, आई वांट टू टॉक टू देम, बट इट्स लाइक यार पता नहीं क्या,
like वो लोग
they won't feel
अपनी
good, they
बातें
will like
करते हैं.
they will not feel good about it, all that happened.
And you're like, you don't get the inside jokes that you share, you don't get the subjects that they like, you don't get which teacher they're saying bad things about, and you just feel excluded at one point के तेरा गलती नहीं है, मेरा भी गलती नहीं है, but like I just don't feel like I belong here anymore.
Yeah. And it's all and पता है वो चीज की, like मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड कॉमर्स में था लेकिन मैं आज तक उसके साथ टच में हूँ. It's like मतलब and at the same level. देखो the thing is कि you have to make efforts if you want to be friends. अगर इधर से effort मैं लगाऊंगा तुम्हारे बारे में जानने का, तो तुम्हारी क्लास में क्या हो रहा है, तुम्हारे टीचर्स कैसे हैं, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि टॉपिक्स नहीं मिलते, हमारे इंग्लिश टीचर्स सेम थे.
Yeah, there's always something to
एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स में सेम, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर सेम होता है.
Exactly.
You can talk
if
about
you
it if
try
you
to
want
find
to.
मिलेगा. हाँ.
But if you're like, nahin, we're going to exclude you, you're not our tribe, then bro, I cannot help
You
it.
know, it's kind of a pretty shitty move. But then, I just feel like, you know what? We were kids. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Also, don't
That
hold
kind of a
grudges.
thing.
Like it doesn't happen. Like it does. It like क्योंकि यार लोग
Doesn't
आएंगे जाएंगे
help.
जिंदगी में, ऐसा है नहीं जिंदगी में.
Exactly, dude. Like, people are going to leave and new people are going to come. You're not going to change the course of that. So just accept कर लेना जो हो रहा
Some
है.
people are
ठीक
like
है.
very salty कि यार इसने मुझे exclude किया
हाँ,
था यार,
dude.
इसको इससे
Petty
तो मैं बात
people. It's
इससे तो मैं
funny,
बात नहीं
dude.
करूंगा.
It's
It's
very
like no,
hilarious.
it's okay.
I know.
They lost you,
So,
okay? They lost you.
but-
You didn't lose them.
तेरा सेल्फ एस्टीम बिल्ड हो जाएगा ब्रो.
कल
ड्रामा तो होने ही वाला है.
को अगर तू मिलियनेयर बन गया तो तुझे you can just cut them off. Like no.
You can. So like because of that one fight and you know like मेरा पूरा 10th खराब हो गया था.
अच्छा.
But then I was just like, you know what? Boards है, इनको जाने दे. So like from November to March, I studied so much and I got pretty amazing marks. They didn't. I'm sorry, I know that's being a salty bitch, but then at that point, I was like, nahi, chalega.
Like
I got good marks. I got into my dream college. I got the courses that I wanted. Tu sad idhar hi. So after,
it's like showing a middle finger ki ja. Like
tu ja. Bro, it's okay. I grew more than you. You're still stuck, you know, living in those school memories where you were popular or whatnot. I've grown a lot from them. So
it's like I have substance on myself right now. It's like I am someone.
Exactly.
I have concrete things to fall back on if I ever have some emotional or any kind of
I don't have my high
fallback.
School popularity. I have actual substance.
Yes.
So
it's like that.
I know you don't consider it college, but I'm gonna call it college.
Yeah,
so when okay, so you know this, as I said, it was a small community, right? And when I started going to Xavier's, you know, and Xavier's is an hour train ride away from where I live. Okay. Each day I travel 2.5 hours just to go and come back from my college. Okay. At first it was bothering me. I'm just like, you know what? Like I should have just took a college which is near to me, like all my school people did. But then as I got exposure, as I, you know, got introduced to different things, different people from all over Bombay, I realized how much I needed that. Okay. I had the opportunity, I had the exposure, and like when I look back, 10th ki Trisha and 12th ki Trisha are two completely different people. Okay. So when I actually went to a different place and I, you know, experienced new things, I learned new things, I talked to new people, I realized how, you know, narrow-minded and shallow these school people were.
Yes.
Okay.
You realize that as you meet new people.
Yeah, exactly. You know, you go through, you learn new things and then you realize कि जो पहले था वो बहुत बकवास था. Okay. So I can probably say that I've changed my personality, and you know, like I met a few of my school friends like boards ke waqt, and I look at them and I honestly felt bad. Okay. Because even after these 2 years, even if they went to different colleges, they were still, you know, like near this area. Okay. And I was in a completely different zone, and I'm like mad grateful for my parents to, you know, push me out there, push me into the world, and, you know, say that you go figure it out.
It depends a lot on your parents, I feel, because
it does.
At this age, whatever the chota mota things I have done, it's always that my parents have pushed me. मतलब मेरे parents ने अगर मुझे पहली बार youth parliament में नहीं भेजा होता तो आज से आज बैठ के किताब नहीं लिख रहा होता.
Exactly. Like I'm mad grateful that I had parents, you know, who did this. Like okay, so I was just making a plan with, you know, the school friends that I still am in touch with. And I'm just like, हाँ ठीक है bro, जाते हैं. Okay, so that place, so like we were just like, okay, Marine Lines जाते हैं. All right, because it's a very touristy, collegey place to go. And I'm just like, okay, no problem, because I travel till there every day. It's nothing new to me. And this one chick was like, my mom won't allow me to go itna dur. And I was just like, oh, that's That's दूर. Okay. Out.
Uh,
But then, like it became a routine for me, but then they are still stuck in that same shallow, narrow-minded group, in those same friend groups where, people put each other down just to show that they're superior.
yes.
And it's hella toxic, but they've not known anything different. I have, and that's why I was able to cut those people off. They do not have anyone else to go to because their college may, they rarely go, or if they do go, they're not that close to them because वो दूर रहते हैं. And these people are nearby, they're convenient. And they've known them, like as you said, you share memories with them. But then at a point you realize that, जब वो memories थी वो अच्छा था, अभी वो अच्छा नहीं है.
अब वो सिर्फ नॉस्टैल्जिया है जिसमें तुम कब तक जीरोगे, तुम like you cannot live forever in that nostalgia. You have to
Exactly.
work for your future कि और अच्छा नॉस्टैल्जिया भी आए. कि हाँ मतलब
Exactly.
ऐसा ना हो कि तुम्हारे स्कूल के नॉस्टैल्जिया तो अच्छा है 50 की उम्र में, लेकिन तुम्हें नॉस्टैल्जिया आ रहा है, अरे यार तो ऐसा नहीं था और पता नहीं यार क्या वो
Exactly.
सीन था.
We live too
हाँ.
much in the past. They live too
Yes.
much in the past. And I feel bad for them because they didn't get a chance to grow like I did. Okay. And so at this point, I don't blame them. I'm just like, okay, you have this shallow, toxic personality and mindset. I understand the reason behind it, but I'm not gonna get involved with you. Okay.
It was a good
Like
phase that
right
we
now,
had, but no, I'm
खत्म bro.
quitting.
नहीं, बस हो
मैं
गया.
निकल रहा हूँ. मेरे लिए ज़्यादा चीजें
And there's like
important
हाँ. And there's a few people who were able to grow from it, even though they stayed in the same area and the same schools. Okay. Like there's these two people, like two girls from my school that are actually close to me. बाकी किसी से बात नहीं करती. Dude, I had this one phase in FYJC where I unfollowed everyone from my school. I unfollowed everyone. I'm just like, that thing, that whole year is behind me now. I don't want to connect with any of it. So, like, and I saw people who did grow even though they stayed in the same pond. Okay. And if they could do it, वो लोग भी कर सकते थे. They
Anyone
chose
could.
not to.
हाँ.
They chose not to, and that's on them. And I don't want to engage with people who don't try to, get past this shallow mindset of theirs. Like, they know that they're, in this quicksand that कि वो लोग डूबेंगे, but they still don't want to get out.
Yeah, and I feel it's a
So
lot
I cannot
ki,
deal.
it's a lot, what do I say? Ki it's a lot about comfort. Ki
It is.
when you find comfort in that, na, you don't know कि आप डूबते जा रहे हो.
Yeah, they're just
When
like,
you
I
leave your
want to stick with
comfort
what
zone,
is
जैसे
familiar.
you told कि you used to travel 1 hour for train daily to go to college. I'd call it college now. So so that shows you people, and you see that there's much more to life than just 4 of you hanging around.
Exactly. People just, choose to stick with what is familiar to them. And they don't explore new things, and then वो उधर ही रह जाते हैं. Like, I can actually see those girls growing up and becoming to be like trophy or housewives because they have that mindset कि मैं कुछ जिंदगी में नहीं कर पाऊंगी. मेरा end goal of life is marriage. And that's just sad, at this point I just look at it and I'm like, that's a sad way to live. So yeah. But college mein, okay, so we're talking about friendship, sorry. So yeah, school was pretty bleh.
You can do, yeah,
Like, I still have a few friends. I still have a few friends from school who I'm talked to. Like, okay, it's just 2 people, but okay. So I still like them because, like, wo chemistry ka class, going on the annual day and marching in the PT. You cannot share those things with your college friends.
Yes, you can.
It's what you had in school, and I have a lot of good memories from school, but I don't have a lot of good friends from school.
वो fair bit of nostalgia तो होना जरूरी है ना यार.
Exactly, bro. You were there for so many years.
भाई 15 साल कुछ नहीं किया क्या जिंदगी में? कुछ तो होना चाहिए.
Exactly. College में though, I for the first time college में जाते ही I hung out with this group of girls and I became friends with them, and I'm just like, oh bro, college group, and I went on trips with them and it was quite fun. Okay, but I'm like, ये तो school में भी हो सकता था. But then like हुआ नहीं. But then, as I became like, as I, got used to college and I reached out and, began talking to more people who were not from my division, who were from who were from other subjects, who were seniors, all of that. So I found these 6 people. Like we made an Instagram group. I have no idea for what reason. And, like over time, I started hanging out with them. I was like jumping between 2 groups, but all right. I was hanging out with them like in all my lunch lectures. I was with them whenever, like in any lecture that I could. I would bunk and we'll go somewhere. And I had a lot of adventures with them, but all of them got me. Like all of us had pretty, I don't know, like traumatic events happened to us, and we grew from it. So it felt like I belonged, and that had never happened with anyone. Okay, so I was pretty new to it, and I still value those people so much. Like it's been 1.5 year to those people, like to forming that group, and we're still tight as ever. Like we went through our fair share of fights because it's college, bro. Drama to hona hi hai. Bollywood warned us about this. So we went through a fair share of fights, like about trivial topics or about topics which actually mattered. At this point, we look back at it and we laugh. But then that was like school में अगर कोई झगड़ा होता था, I wasn't the person who will reach out and who will be like, listen, no, you matter itna to me that I want to solve this. I cannot handle the bad blood between us. I was never that person. I was like, तेको नहीं रहना है, मत रह, bye. Okay.
But don't feel
But
कि
then-
मैं नहीं रहना चाहती हूँ.
Of course. No. So I'm the kind of person who leaves, bro. So they're used to that. But
Like you told
these
me
were the
कि
first.
I value.
हाँ, बोल.
But it was like कि मतलब if I want you to be in my life, I'll ask you to. If I don't, I'll just leave myself.
Yeah. True. I do that. So then.
So are you the kind
these
of
were the
person that
people whom I
ghosts,
wanted
or
to
are you the
fight.
kind of person that tells कि भाई नहीं जा रहा मैं, जा रही हूँ?
So okay, so like before these 4 months, when I was on the verge of losing all the friendships I've created in college, I would have been the person who leaves. I'm still not certain about it. Like, see, in me, I'm like, I have the choice, I have the privilege of choosing what I can deal with. Okay. अगर मेरे को तैसे ये मेहनत करना है, मेरे को ये झगड़ा करना है, so we can get past it, I'll do it. If I don't feel like, I won't. And I'm always the kind of person who'll be like, I'll leave you before you can leave me.
Oh.
Like that fear of abandonment thingy.
Yes.
So I've always been that person, like who has one foot out of the door. Okay.
If I see red flags, I'll be like, gone.
Bye, bro. If I see even one red flag, I'm like, see you later. Or never. So yeah, but then these people, like, I found this one group, and when I was fighting with them, like for the first time ever, I cried in front of people. Okay, I was sitting in my sociology lecture after one fight, and I just broke down. And this one chick whom I knew is in my class and whom I was like, okay, friends with hi bye ka chakkar tha. She came to me and she handed me a pack of tissues and she didn't say anything. Okay. I hugged her and she didn't say anything. She didn't ask me what happened. She didn't ask shit. And like then I started hanging out with her more. I started hanging out with her group. Then we found this one mutual friend who was in some other division, and the 3 of us made a trio. And I found that these people actually fight for what they think is worth it. And like I never had people fight for me before college. Okay. But all the Bollywood movies were right about one thing, that you do find that one college ka group which sticks with you for the rest of your life. Even if you're not in touch with them, the memories you have with them, like they're always one text away. Okay. They're not always available, but they make themselves available for you. And I've had the privilege to find those beautiful, beautiful people in the crowd.
You can name them if you
I
want.
I value them so much.
You can name them if you want.
अच्छा नहीं जाने दे bro. बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. It's okay. If this is getting released on my birthday, I'll tag you.
Yes, it will. अब पता है इसका मैं YouTube पे टाइटल रखूंगा, Happy Birthday Trisha Podcast for one day, जब तक मेरा बर्थडे नहीं चला जाता.
Okay. Done. Okay, yes. So I'm pretty grateful that I met them. And in the lockdown, I kind of just withdrew myself from everyone because that's the way I coped with it. Okay. I'm a social person who lives out of my house like 13 hours a day. मैं घर पे सिर्फ खाने सोने आती थी. Okay. And then this lockdown was like a pretty big change for me. And I changed as a person because of it, and I didn't like it. Okay, like I didn't change for the good, I changed for the worse. And I was, kind of scared of showing that version of me to these friends that I've made. But then it got to a line where, I was this close to losing them. And that time I was like, I don't want to run this time. I don't want to leave. I want to fight for what I had with them. Okay. And now I'm pretty amazing. Like I'm back with them again. Like they forgive me for whatever bullshit I pulled. And yeah, I kind of appreciate it, dude. Khushali Tarini, if you're listening to this, this one's for you. So yeah, I guess it's pretty good that I found these friends because this is the first time that I put them on the same level as my family.
That's
You matter to me
pretty
as
like
much
that.
as they do.
बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है when you put someone else at the level of your family.
It's a very big thing. And like I never thought I'd actually do it for someone, but then I met these people and I'm like, okay, I have to. Like it happened अपने आप bro. मैं नहीं control कर सकता. So yeah.
मैं भी mention करूंगा मेरे लिए there's राजवंश ये साला सुन नहीं रहा होगा मुझे पता है. ये कुछ देख रहा होगा कोई सिटकॉम देख रहा होगा साला. And there's Pranchu. And Pranchu के साथ ही कहानी. Pranchu was in a like Pranchu left us in third. तब से वो हॉस्टल में था.
But like he left the school.
हाँ. But whenever he comes back, doesn't matter. It is like it doesn't make
it. It's the same as always.
Doesn't like you see that in the back that photo frame. लोगों में लेके आता.
Yeah.
एक second.
Okay.
At this point बहुत बड़ा हो चुका है तो I don't care. कि podcast बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो चुका है.
Same. ठीक है. Edit करने में देखो आराम से 2-3 वीक लगेगा.
Yeah, I won't edit. So you see this. This is us.
Isn't that so cute?
So this is us from like whenever. So तब से we're like together and we're not.
That's so cute, dude.
So ये तो.
It's like whenever you meet them, whenever you don't, it doesn't matter. जब तुम लोग साथ में होते हो, it's the same bond that you shared so many years ago. Yes,
and it's like you can be as candid as you want with them. It's like doesn't even matter.
True,
they're not gonna judge.
ये मेरा यार है bro. They're not gonna judge me. They're not gonna do shit. Okay.
इसके सामने अगर तुम नशा करते हो तो तुम नशा करके पड़े रह सकते हो. And doesn't matter.
Can relate. So, in the school time, when I didn't have a lot of friends in my school, I actually used to go on a lot of treks. Okay. And treks are something which just bonds you. You cannot break that bond. Okay. So when I went to my first big trek, and it was 10 days long, and my mom was hella worried. And I was back in 9th grade. Yeah, bro, वो movie देखने के बाद ही गई थी मैं.
मुझे भी जाना है.
I didn't find my bunny there. Thank God, I don't want a bunny. But I found my Avi and Aditi, and I still hold them close. And that's the bond. Like उन दोनों के साथ मैं ऐसा bond share करती हूँ जैसा तूने अभी बोला प्रांशु और उसके साथ share करता है. Yes, we can not talk for months. When we meet, it's the same shit as it was back in 9th grade when we hadn't hit puberty yet. I love it. I love low maintenance friendships, like we can not talk for months, but then when you do, it's still chill.
Like there are friendships which, kind of take a toll on you. Just you don't talk for a while, then they go away. And it's okay, but I like when they're not like that.
Me too.
We can grow together as a person. And
exactly. Listen, I'm like, bro, because at this point, I think like at this stage, all of us are individually figuring ourselves out, what we want, apna career, apna college, and those are big decisions, right? So at this point the attention you need to give to yourself is a lot, and you can't afford to give, like have a needy friend jisko teko 24/7 attention dena padega. Of course I'm there for my friends, but both of us understand that agar if I'm not here for some reason, I'm also dealing with my shit, you're also dealing with your shit, so there needs to be that
let's
mutual
let's
understanding.
get sorted and फिर पार्टी करते हैं.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली ब्रो, बस कर, तू तू चिल मार, ठीक है, झगड़ा हो गया. नो आई हैव दोस फ्रेंड्स आल्सो यार, लाइक अगर हम लोग झगड़ा करेंगे, if we're so that group I was talking about, in that group I have this one friend where like agar group pe okay, so the group's name is sexes, okay, do not laugh. Do not ask the story behind it. It's
I'm curious.
I don't really remember. Fuck it. But
बाद
it's
में पूछूंगा
sexist with
after
that,
the
water
podcast.
droplet. Yes, after the podcast done. So yeah, and वहाँ पे कभी-कभी झगड़ा होता है ना. So हाँ ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हुआ, everyone is mad. उसके बाद we're just like, हाँ ठीक है, like you have a problem with me, we sorted it. You had I had a problem with you, मैंने बोला, तूने बोला मैं ठीक कर दूंगी, we forgave each other, cool.
यार मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है ना. It's like once I had a fist fight in bus, and proper fist fight
Oh
अच्छे से.
Very proud of you. I'm so proud. I feel like a proud mother right now. Well done, Sid. Be violent.
बस चल रही है, अपन लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, स्कूल से लौटते समय, ठीक है, एकदम मस्त, ठीक है. बट अगले ही दिन सेम बस में आए, ठीक है, दूर दूर बैठे थे दोस्त, स्कूल बस में तो बात नहीं करी, बट जब स्कूल जा रहे हैं, both of us like looked at each other and we just hugged.
You nodded?
यार.
Oh, that's
and we just hugged each other. यार हो गया, चल चल और बता क्या सीन.
No, bro, yeah, but then like these fights are the kind of ones you need to sort out before it reaches to a point where you have to, cut off.
तो कुछ हुआ नहीं था. It was a very trivial kind of fight. पता नहीं कुछ.
हाँ बस नहीं, टाइम पास के लिए पक रहा था बस में तो लड़ लिया.
हाँ, और उसके बाद वे like भाई हो गया, छोड़.
भाई हाँ, so I have that bond with one of my friends. Okay, like अगर ऐसे कोई ग्रुप पे झगड़ा हुआ ना, we won't apologize to each. I've never apologized for any of the shit she blamed me for. एक दिन बाद I just like we cool. आज तक मैंने उसके साथ कोई fight sort नहीं किया, bro. We'll not talk for 1 month, even though we're in the same college, in the same group. We won't talk for 1 month. उसके बाद we're like, bro ठीक, हाँ bro मैं ठीक, तू ठीक, bro.
आजा वापस.
So I love those kind of friendships. हाँ bro, like हाँ bro ठीक हो गया. तो पहले गुस्सा था, फिर ऐसे ओवर टाइम में थोड़ा निकल गया, जाने दे. चूतियापा खटवा रही थी मैं, ठीक है.
तो ये तो सारे ऑफलाइन फ्रेंड्स है, दैट्स लाइक रियल लाइफ फ्रेंड्स दैट आर, बट ये जो लॉकडाउन है, दैट हैज गिव अस ऑनलाइन फ्रेंड्स. सो व्हाट डू यू फील?
AKA
you so what is the difference you feel? And
Okay,
even in online
so-
friends you have kind of levels. मतलब एक होते हैं जिससे तुम एक
You
दिन बात
do,
करके
you
छोड़
do.
देते हो, और then there's us
हाँ.
like 6 महीने से बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. So, okay, so I guess I was into this whole online friends thingy even before the lockdown. But okay, so the way I make online friends is usually through, Instagram group chats. I follow this one account. They'll put up a random story. Do you want to be in a GC? Yes. So, and at this point, I have like 4 different people, like 4 different groups of people who are in 4 different GCs, and none of them are related to each other. But honestly, I found some of my closest and like purest people there. So at first, I was like, "Nahi, internet pe sab scam hai."
Same.
But then, because listen, mama ne sikhaya, bro. Sorry, kuch nahi kar sakte.
Like let me tell you, जो मेरे first group of like actually long term online friends है ना, there's
हाँ.
this you guys only, वो Dank
Really?
वाली. Yes, like I was
Wholesome
a,
GC.
yeah, shout out to Wholesome
Guys,
GC. Like
special mention.
like
Guys,
I
go
wasn't
follow
even
Dan.memes.
yeah, I wasn't into online friendships before the lockdown much. I was like कि एक बार I joined this GC, मतलब रात को ज्वाइन की,
टाइम पास के
सुबह
लिए ब्रो बोर हो रहा था.
तो रात को ज्वाइन की, सुबह छोड़ दी. And I don't know the people अब क्या सीन है उनका, but
Can relate.
like you guys are still मतलब कि इतनी बात
So
हो
you
रही
know that's what
है।
happened. So he's done that. Like हमारे साथ ये हुआ है कि we just got added into this GC by one random person who just saw usernames and added
हाँ
them, and then once you started talking to them and we hit it off. Okay, like both of us are writers. There's this one guy Om who's just like a little kid. It's so cute, but like all of us just hit it up so well. And at the same time, so I was added into two dank GCs, and I got so close to these people. और दूसरे में मैं बात ही नहीं करती. ठीक है? If it happens kind of a thing. And I value online friends, dude. Like, offline friends के साथ they like थोड़ा वो होता है, like थोड़ा awkwardness होता है.
कभी कभी
And it's like, अरे okay bro, मैं मुंह पे ये सब नहीं बोल सकता. Online you're like, listen, I'm behind a screen. They can't hurt me. I'll say whatever the hell I want. I don't have to pretend.
I will bully them. I will bully them for straight 30 minutes.
Attack.
By sending voice notes and typing in all caps till everyone is like, oh my.
That's me.
Ah yes.
So yeah. Okay, whatever. So yeah, it's like, I realize that, I don't have to be an extrovert or a social person just in real life. Online तो बहुत अच्छे से हो सकता है. And I actually reached out at, surprisingly, as much as I bitched about Instagram on the writing thingy, I fucking love Instagram for giving me all these friends. So like, I have friends from all over the country. I have friends from outside the country, and it feels so good. Because as I said, you need that exposure, you need new experiences to grow. And online friends are a very amazing way for you to do so.
Yeah, like I started a company with an online friend.
Exactly, guys. Go follow mentep.com.
Go.
Yes, sorry,
Yeah,
bhai.
yeah. Go on. चले जाना यार. Yes, shameless plugin.
Yes, guys. Shameless यहाँ पे डाल दियो site का नाम. Guys, shameless promotions. Please follow.
I'll put it in the description.
Yes.
Yeah, like.
So, like, I've met a few of my online friends, to be honest, and it was like, bro, it blew my mind. Okay, I was just like, bro, it'll be so awkward. Oh my god, I've not seen them in real life. What will they think of me? वो थोड़ा nervousness होता है. But I met them and I'm like, अरे bro.
और बता.
It.
मेरे DM का क्यों नहीं reply किया?
Oh my god, that's happened so many times. Like, I should really start replying to DMs. I'm sorry if I've ignored you. But
I can't count how many times. Like, to get you to this was a 15-day affair. To get you to this was a 15-day affair. I remember.
If it's any consolation, it's not just you. मैं सबको ignore करता है. And it's not just GCs. Of course, GCs became a big thing for me when, except for this whole Danka group, I got added into it by, this one mutual I have. I found friends there, and, they added me into another group, and they added me into another group. And now I have like a whole as North India में, group of friends. कि मैं अगर गुड़गांव जाऊंगी, I can live there for a month and I can, be in a different house each day.
Yeah.
Okay. Exactly. So, I found these people who actually make me feel good, even through the phone. I thought that wasn't, quite possible, but it's like, nahi yaar, is friend se ek baar video call kar liya, ya, text pe kuch bullshit kar liya, I'm good now. And
yeah, I remember your result वाला दिन.
It happens.
Result वाली रात मुझे याद.
भाई मैं सोई नहीं थी, the anxiety. So then, sometimes, and it becomes easier to talk to online friends sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
It does, because see, even if you do call them your friends, they're practically strangers because you've never met them, right?
Kind of.
And
yes.
I believe that everyone can be different on social media, on internet. Like, they're behind a screen, you don't really know who they are. You see the version that they want to show you.
Pro tip, don't catch feelings over text.
We just talked about this yesterday. Guys, if you're hearing this and you've ever caught feelings over text, no, you haven't.
Those are not actual feelings.
You haven't, bro. Those are loneliness, 3 a.m. loneliness ka consequence. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm begging you. Please don't do that. कटेगा. Universal है. देख तेरा कटने वाला तो वैसे भी है, but if you do online relationships,
बेइज्जती होगी भाई. स्क्रीनशॉट ले जा सकते हैं.
स्क्रीनशॉट्स छोड़ना यार, तेरे को पता ही नहीं वो बंदा क्या है, कैसा कर रहा है. Why? How do you catch feelings over text? I mean, how do you catch feelings as a whole for me? But okay.
Damn.
Well, it's pretty nice. Like, ठीक है, bro. And yeah, as I said, it becomes easier to talk to online friends because they're practically strangers who, know some aspects about your lives, but they don't know the whole thing. So, they can't judge you with now. And oh, that's pretty amazing. Like, people I started talking to simply because they followed my writing page. Okay. And we help each other grow. We like hype each other up on social media. And I find that pretty beautiful. Like, these people didn't have the opportunities. They just, stuck with the people whom they were surrounded by, like our parents and the generations before us. We do have that opportunity. So, why not use it?
Yes, why not? So,
exactly.
We're talking about life.
Wait, Nasrid, I have a question about you. A question for you.
Puch.
In the sense of like online friends and catching feelings and shit over text, what do you think about dating sites?
Actually, I kind of don't believe in dating sites.
Okay.
Because what I feel is कि उनका mechanism is it's developed over things which can be faked easily. मतलब सबका एक एंगल होता है जिससे सबका एक एंगल होता है जिससे सबसे सेक्सी फोटो आती है और इंसान वही डालेगा. चाहे इंसान सारे तरह के जानवर खाता हो, वो अपने बायो में डॉग लवर लिखेगा.
Oh my God! Attack! Also, किस पे अटैक कर रहा है भाई? बोल दे, नाम ले ही ले.
खुद ही पे. मैं चिकन खाता हूँ मतलब. But it's like मतलब.
Sorry bro, Jen.
I'm like, देखो, the concept is farming animals and petting are two different things. So let's not talk about that.
Move on.
Also with dating sites, you've probably heard this. Every site is a dating site if you're Indian enough. Especially girls know this.
Agreed.
Like I know, like मुझे पता है कि मतलब वो like there's this person in our GC who gets like creepy DMs every day.
True. So I agree, but like dating sites पे it's like everyone is extremely materialistic.
Yes.
तो अच्छा दिखता है, that's why.
तभी मैं आपको तुम्हें left right. What is this? 1800s. We've grown itna.
Then again, I think it's influenced by like hookup. Wow, nice hookup culture.
Yeah, and it's also like matlab, you said you like all these people who are on these dating sites, they will say ki no, looks don't matter on the social media, ki looks don't matter, personality, I like your personality and all that shit, and then swipe right to whoever who has abs. Like what the fuck?
God, yes, exactly.
मोदी जी की भाषा में हिपोक्रेसी की कोई सीमा होती है.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए.
क्रोनोलॉजी से मतलब हाँ, पहले आप टिंडर अकाउंट बनाएंगे, फिर आप उसमें किसी दूसरी भाषा में बायो लिखेंगे, फिर आप हॉट लड़कों को स्वाइप राइट करेंगे, फिर वो आपका काट के जाएंगे, और फिर आप एक टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में पड़ेंगे. तो
everyone feeling attacked out there, you're dumb, you deserve this.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Huh.
So since you're talking about life, so as artists, something which we deal with is existentialism a lot. Like अभी तो हमारा वो stage चल रहा है, and in this lockdown period, it's like existentialism has hit hard. So what is existentialism? यार क्या हो गया? इतनी देर से बात कर रहे हैं. What is existentialism for you?
Okay, so basically, like I'm gonna say these in very basic words because बहुत high brain cell talks हो गया already. So existentialism for me just means that I have to be present here in this moment. Okay, I have personally spent a lot of time. I have wasted a lot of my time thinking about the future, thinking about the past, living in the past, and it has not done me any good, right? So, those feelings those emotions, you get when you're anxious about your future or you keep thinking about your past, like it just wears you down. And then you're not able to actually be present here now. So, okay, so this is what Leila from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara says. So she's like, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है कि तुम 40 तक जीने वाले हो, right? So he's thinking so far into the future, but he's not here right now. इस पल का क्या, right? Start living right now. Carpe diem. Seize the fucking moment, guys. Right? And at this point, I've done so many things simply because of that. Okay, I colored my hair simply because I'm young. I'm only gonna be 17 once. I'm gonna do this right now. Okay, I got a goddamn tattoo because I'm like, listen, what if I don't get this opportunity again? Okay, I want to live life on my terms. Okay, a person should only be in a box when he's dead. You don't have to be that right now.
ये मस्त quotation दिया. Is it original or कहीं से छापा है?
No. I'm pretty sure it's not original. No, it's not original. मैंने कहीं तो पढ़ा था. No, I think this is also Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara only. Wait. This is also Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Okay, I just saw that movie yesterday. So sab. Yeah, it's Leila only, bro. I love Leila. She says
वो movie. There's that movie. There's ये जवानी है दीवानी. Those two are so mood. यार,
Dude,
very
बहुत
feel good movies हैं यार.
I agree. Dear Zindagi also, to be honest, I cry every time, but I love that movie.
Dear Zindagi मैंने एक बार देखी है.
ठीक है यार, जिसको जो पसंद है वो.
Yeah.
So, and existentialism is on a rise right now, and I actually love it that people are living for themselves and in right now, and it's opened a bunch of opportunities for everyone. You say your perspective, so I know what we're talking about.
Yeah, so existentialism for me is something which I deal a lot with. मतलब sometimes it's like पूरा दिन निकल जाता है and I'm not productive. जबकि I could have easily been, but I'm like just like laying on the bed and doing nothing. But it is also sometimes that I'm doing something, but my heart isn't there.
Yeah.
It's like yes, I'm doing it. Yes, it's like right now I am in the moment. I am in the moment. अभी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. But sometimes it's like I'm talking to people, but I'm at the back of my mind it's something else. Also,
at the back of your mind you're just like ये कब खत्म होगा?
नहीं, I'm not. I'm loving it. मतलब अगर तुझे ऐसा लग रहा है तो बता.
नहीं ब्रो, मैं ठीक हूँ. मेरे को बात करना बहुत पसंद है. I love talking.
So
okay, continue.
And existentialism hits me at the moment when it shouldn't. मतलब मेरी जिंदगी में कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा हो रहा होगा और मुझे existentialism हिट कर जाएगा. मतलब I remember boards के time.
Okay.
अभी मेरा रिजल्ट आया, मतलब I mean जब बोर्ड का रिजल्ट आया, and my board result was quite good. Okay, I would say nice.
Hey, shut up! It was fucking amazing, guys. This guy. Stop being modest.
It was good. Like, and everyone's calling me up, congratulating me, and that's when it hit me.
Oh,
I wasn't able to talk because existentialism had hit me. मेरे बर्थडे के टाइम में मेरे बर्थडे पे एक मोमेंट पता नहीं, I was feeling like ये हो गया.
What is the point of all this?
नहीं, it's like ये हो गया. What's next? I was contemplating on my future. I was analyzing.
Yeah.
कि अब
and
क्या
you weren't able to celebrate it.
Kind of, yes. हाँ. And even मेरे birthday पे I remember बीच में like 5 minutes के लिए I went totally numb, not feeling anything.
Oh God.
मतलब
18th birthday, no?
18th birthday. मतलब and that birthday went as eventful as it could. मतलब तुम्हें vlog देखना तो Instagram पे.
I have guys yes. Check out the vlog.
तो and उसमें भी बीच में 5 मिनट के लिए and थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही. I just went to a room. I was just lying there. I was just scrolling on my phone. जो कि बाहर मजे हो रहे हैं. तो sometimes it's like at the best moments of your life, existentialism can hit you. So yeah, that's how it does to me. Also, it like for me, existentialism, I use it as a tool for my writing.
As in,
For
oh,
my writing.
okay.
मतलब when I have a bad episode, let's say during a night, I just pen it all down. मतलब भाई
Okay.
दिमाग
Makes
खराब हो
sense.
रहा है, भाई 2 पोएम निकाल दे,
लिख
कम से
दे.
कम आगे 1 हफ्ते की वैलिडेशन मिल जाएगी तुझे. मतलब
Makes sense. It
मैं
does
बहुत ही
make sense.
रीजनेबल इंसान हूँ, बहुत ही रैशनल इंसान हूँ. बीटी भी हो रही होगी तो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा निकालना है यार उसमें से. वीडियो वेंट ऑफ. हाँ.
Yeah, sorry, low battery. हाँ.
चार्जिंग पे लगा
Okay.
दिया. अच्छा हाँ.
ठीक है, 20% है, हो जाएगा.
हाँ चल जाएगा.
10% होगा तब चलाओ. हाँ, okay. So at this point, like I read about this. So while growing up, you know, all of us, and this is not limited to just Indians, not limited to just our generation, but all of us, we've been growing thinking this. Okay, school khatam karo, college mein maze hai, college karo, college khatam karo, get a job. You got a job, you're financially stable, get married. Get married, have a child. हाँ, get married, have a child. अभी बच्चे के लिए जिंदगी दे दो पूरा.
हाँ, बच्चे की फीस भरो बैठ के.
हाँ, बच्चे की फीस भरो, बच्चे को बेस्ट दो, रिटायरमेंट ले लो, वेट फॉर डेथ. Okay, so this is not just monotonous, but what develops in our brain is that every single time we've achieved something, on our mind we start thinking what is the next big achievement.
What's next? Yes.
So मेरा 10th का बोर्ड्स खत्म हुआ. My next thing was okay shit, admissions. कहाँ admission लेना है, कैसे लेना है. मेरे को कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिला. My next thing is oh no, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स लेने हैं, ये क्या करना है. Okay.
And जब आप आर्ट्स कर रहे होते हो ना, जब आर्ट्स होता है, इट्स लाइक कि भाई थोड़ी अब खुद भी मेहनत डालनी होगी. मतलब जब मैंने 11वीं 12वीं की थी तो आई वाज लाइक इंजीनियरिंग में तो इट्स प्रैक्टिकली कि आपको अगर अच्छा कॉलेज मिल गया, यू आर आउट विद अ गुड पैकेज. विद आर्ट्स इज लाइक प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलने वाला आपको, आपको खुद ही से बनाना है कुछ. तो इट्स लाइक भाई आई एम थिंकिंग कि भाई व्हाट हाउ डू आई इंप्रूव माय कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इंप्रूव करने हैं, आओ पॉडकास्ट करते हैं. राइटिंग इंप्रूव करनी है, आओ लिखते हैं. लेट्स मेक वीडियोस एडिट करते हैं. So that's what runs in your mind a lot.
Constantly you're thinking about what's coming next, right? And so, you know, in that, so like when this new year started for me, like in FIJC, when, you know, I started college so it was a lot to process at once. Okay. And the whole time I was just like, अरे नहीं, ये तो 11th है, 12th के boards का क्या, those are important. अरे ये exams तो ठीक है, terminals का क्या, those are important. अरे this event is तो छोटा सा, I can miss this, I have to focus on the more, you know, the one with more audience. And in that time, what I realized was, I wasn't getting happy when I achieved small things. Okay. Like, if I came second in some competition, I'll be like, what the hell, I have to do better. I have to be first in the next big competition. I didn't stop to think that, dude, you got that second prize.
Yes.
So, you know, a lot of time that happens, you know, even when you have small achievements, you're like, no, I want something bigger. And it eventually turns into greed. Okay. And I see the people around me. I see my parents, I see my father, and you know, even when he cracked this huge big client, he was like, ठीक है, अभी इसको manage कैसे करना है. Then when he established a good rapport with him, he's like, okay, how will he give me new opportunities? And that's a cycle that does not stop.
Yes.
Okay. So this one day, like I was working with my dad in his office for a few months, like last few months. So, like this one time we were, you know, like it was just the two of us in his office room, and like we're having vada pav, we're having chai, we're sitting, and I'm just like, Dad, you did good today. Like you did good last week. Like this has been a good week. And he was so shocked to hear that. Okay. Because that was a part of his everyday routine. And he never stopped and thought about what he has accomplished so far. He's always thinking about the next big thing. And all of us have been raised this way. Them and us. Okay. So I think existentialism and, you know, how it's rising, it's helping us realize that small things are not bad. You can celebrate those. They do matter.
Yeah, like I remember ये जो existentialism part मेरी जिंदगी का है, it's in the last 2 years of my life. मतलब मैं
Same.
10th में when I won my first youth parliament, I was happy as fuck. मतलब from the point
Yeah.
of winning it till going to the stage, then reaching home, I was literally elated कि भाई पहली बार गए
Oh,
जिंदगी में भाई
very
youth
proud
parliament.
of you.
यार थैंक्स यार. तो उस समय एक पहली बार यूथ पार्लियामेंट रन कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स थे मेरी कमिटी में. मतलब the only
And
people I
I
lost
won.
to, and the only people I lost to were people who've done like 10 youth parliaments or 12 youth parliaments. And I
Of
was
course.
elated, escalated. I was just being like, भाई इसको फोटो भेजते हैं, इसको बताते हैं, ये
You're on
बताते
the
हैं.
ninth cloud, bro.
Yes. And now it's like fine.
ठीक है, किया था.
It happened. मतलब आज भी like okay. मतलब वो मतलब मम्मी बोलती है मुझे वो ट्रॉफीज के बारे में. I'm like they don't matter.
Yeah, so see, between this, I feel like, we're actually losing touch of things that don't really matter, but they are important.
Yes.
So I'm just like, we need to, just stop and take a breath sometimes. All of us really, like, it doesn't matter where you are, because there's always going to be places that you have to reach. There's always going to be, trains that you have to catch. But if you keep running, you're not going to get anywhere. You won't feel that satisfaction. So, like, all of us just need to stop running for once. Just breathe, just look around you, like, look at everything that you've done, and be proud of how you're growing. That does not give you an excuse to stop growing and stop doing
नहीं.
everything, like हाँ मैंने ये कर लिया जिंदगी में. No, I don't think you can ever be satisfied with your life. Okay, you always need to go from one adventure to the next, and
The only
no
place when
adventure is small.
the only place when you will have complete happiness is when you're on your deathbed. I believe that.
Agreed, totally agreed.
तब वहां पे तुम्हें you
And it
don't
does.
have कि भाई ये कर लेता तो और
अभी
नहीं.
क्या करना है?
हाँ वहाँ you have to be like भाई अच्छी जिंदगी जिए.
Exactly. And like you try to do that before, before that deathbed ka situation, and you're like, हाँ ये तो अच्छा हो गया, but then you're like, but then you start thinking and you're like, नहीं पर इससे अच्छा हो सकता है.
So before we get on to some lighter notes to end this, I'd like to ask you to thoda personal if you want, if you agree to. Tell me about your mental health battles over the 18 years of life.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा background if you
All
don't
right.
want to
No, at
get
this
very
point,
deep.
no, it's okay. So I used to be that person who wouldn't, share about my past or anything. But then over these 2 years, I've accepted that I was who I was. Okay. Like that happened to me, and I'm not that person anymore. So that's why, now at this point, I feel like, okay, I can talk about it. So I've had a very difficult family. Like, I mean, ठीक है, I've had like, my mother deals with depression, clinical depression. Okay, she's been dealing with it since before I was born.
Okay.
So, like that kind of puts halt in a lot of things.
एक मिनट, all the बड़े लोग listening to this, ये देख लो कि ये इन्वेंट नहीं करी है बच्चों ने, पहले भी होता था डिप्रेशन. Yeah.
Hota tha, guys. Like, I'm very blessed though that she was brave enough in that time to go out and seek help. Okay, I'm mad proud of her for that. And of course, India, Gujarati family, joint family, huge family. There's a lot of family politics, and it has affected her a lot. And if it affects her, it affects us. That kind of a thing. Okay. So, apart from just her being like depressed, so I was, I grew up thinking that it was normal, that my mom is different, and I was okay with it. But then, when like around the time I was 9 years old, so she attempted suicide.
When you were born, it's like when the family was fully functioning.
No, when I was 9 years old.
Yeah, like when the family was still like it was a settled life, and then she tried. Okay, continue.
Yeah, no, so like of course she was dealing with her own issues since a long time, Like it was, as I said, it was happening before I was born, and then at one point, I don't even blame her. Like at one point, everyone in their life reaches that, like I
Stage
can't do
like
this anymore.
uh,
Yeah,
so,
I
like they
can't do this
can
anymore.
make
Huh. And that one event, it completely changed the course of my life. Okay. So, after that point, that's why I said pehle ke, petty things like teenage drama doesn't matter to me. Because I have to deal with something worse. And I don't have time for this.
yes.
So, yeah. So, since I'm not here to talk about that, like that affected a lot, like a big part of me was affected by it. And it still sometimes is.
It
But
basically defines your personality. So it's like, yeah,
it does. But then, as I grew, like now I'm at that point in life to realize that I get it. I was mad at her. I was upset with her that as my mother, she did that. But now I've grown enough to realize that as an individual, I could see why she did it.
yes.
Like, it was still wrong of her, but
It is still
you
not
grow to
justified to
that.
attempt any kind of
Yeah,
self
of
harm.
course not. It's not.
But yeah, but you now get it ki, okay, maybe she wasn't that strong at that moment.
Yes, exactly. So, I have it in myself to forgive her now. I didn't years back, but I do now. So that wasn't the only time she tried, and that has been a big part of my life ever since then. So, that like after that thing happened for a few weeks, I was like, even in school, I like my grades fell a bit. I was like, I fell back. I had a big setback, but sorry. But then, like tabhi I was like, shit, dude.
कुछ बड़ा हो गया
And then
जिंदगी में.
eventually, kuch bada ho gaya zindagi. When I knew that it was going to affect the rest of my life too. Okay. But then at that point, my first priority was my mother. It's still like my first priority is still my mother. I would fight the whole world just to keep her happy.
Yes.
Okay. So I got over it, of course. And I think like that is a big part why I'm an extrovert and why I'm such a people pleaser. Okay. I cannot handle anyone around me, being sad or crying or something. Okay. I still can't. Even if it's a stranger that I meet on the station platform, I cannot handle people being sad. I'll give them a chocolate. I'll like talk to them if they have to. Okay. And that's because it's like my roots are there. I cannot see my mother sad. I cannot see anyone sad. Okay. Because sadness can turn into a very, very ugly thing. So my battle with mental health was that, yeah, I guess I was okay. So remember that one time in school जब सबको लगता था कि cutting yourself and all is cool and everyone is depressed and depression is like, I don't know, being popular when you're depressed or some shit. It was a very shitty thing back then. This happened around 8th grade, I think, my 8th grade. So at that point, I was just so angry at everyone because I know someone who's dealt with this on a personal level and you're just making fun of that mental illness. Okay. So I was like, that anger in me turned into like, me pushing everyone away and being extremely mean. And that was not me. But then at that point, it just happened. Okay. So, I basically pushed everyone that was close to me away from me. I turned into a cold person basically. Like I was numb to everything that was around me. And I did not like the person that I was. Okay. So once that phase ended, I took it upon me to, change this whole outlook. Okay. So I guess somewhere I am like mildly depressed, and I'm not saying it just for the sake of saying it. It's because I have an existential crisis at the back of my mind like all day. But see, I think there's nothing bad with it. And I don't need medication for it. It's like, it's a part of who I am at this point. Okay. And so I have
Like you
like
have
severe
you
anxiety.
have an enemy in your mind, but you have
Hmm.
a friend too who's fighting it. So it's like not
Yes.
like it is not leaving, but it's not taking you over either.
Exactly. It does not, like, I do not give it the power to direct my actions anymore. I did that at one point in a time and I hated that version of myself. And like, it's a very sad feeling to hate yourself. Okay. I've been there, and I'm pretty sure a lot of us have. And see, the thing is, I'm not saying that it was wrong, because at that point of a time, I'm pretty sure you thought it was justified. Okay. What I'm saying is, you have the power in you to change that person. And so like, my only goal was, I want to be like a person who my 8-year-old self would admire. Before all this bullshit happened, I want to be that little child, okay, who was pure and who was kind. Um, so yeah, I actually got that opportunity, and at this point, I'm proud of who I've become.
That's a
The
very
only thing that
that's a very both even I'm proud of the fact that you're proud of yourself, and I'm proud of yourself. Proud of you too.
Thank you.
Right.
So, of course, it took a lot of time to reach this point. Okay, there were setbacks. There were times when I thought, like, what, things were just easier earlier, and that, like, that happens to everyone. I guess you have those obstructions, but then at the end of the day, being kind is what makes me happy. Okay, like, I am that person who gives, and like, my happiness comes from there. Like, that act. Okay, so it took a lot of time. It took me more than 2-3 years, but now I am that person, and nothing feels better than this. Okay, so what I'm saying is, everyone has that opportunity. You need to realize it. Apart from that, I guess, like, I still deal with anxiety. So, like, um, but so I have this disease. It's not a disease. I have this ailment called migraine, which is like a lot of headaches.
It's a condition.
So, those headaches, yeah, it's a condition, right? Thanks. So basically, migraine is like, whenever I take, like, excessive stress, even thoda sa more than I can handle, I get these headaches here, which are uncontrollable. Okay, I get like sensitivity, like, there's this thing called sensory overdose, where I can't handle bright light, I can't handle even thoda sa loud noise. Okay, and like, the
Yeah, there's
people
something
around
that
me
कभी-कभी
have
कुछ
had
लोगों को हो जाता है, like for me it's not migraine.
हाँ,
I don't have migraine, but it's like
हाँ, हाँ.
sometimes something hurts यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yes,
And for those 30 seconds or 1 minute, it's like you're going through hell. Fucking hell.
It does.
You
Oh my
want
God,
to
I
end
know.
yourself as soon as possible.
Yes. So, since I suffer with that, like, so migraine at like some levels, it can go in. So there's this thing called migraine attacks, like, when your brain, it can't handle the pain, so it shuts off. Okay, so like, you go into an attack, or like, you go into a panic attack sort of a thing, where you have problems breathing or concentrating on anything around you. So, like, sometimes my anxiety and my migraine, it just merges into one.
And that's
So
a bad combination,
anxiety,
guys.
a bad combination. But so, like, my anxiety is something that, of course, I'm not proud. Like, I'm not proud of it, but I've accepted it at this point. Okay, and I don't try to get rid of it, because I guess, like, I tried, but I couldn't do it. So now it's a part of me.
Like it's
So, like,
it's like it's
before an
mild,
exam.
but it's not ending. Like it's
हाँ,
not that कि
हाँ,
मुझे
हाँ.
दिक्कतें हो रही हैं जिंदगी में अपनी डे टू लाइफ मैनेज करने में, but ऐसा नहीं कि it
पर
has gone
वो
completely.
जा भी रहा है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
That's kind of
But then
the
at
same
one
thing
day,
with me too. I don't know where stuff stems from, but it's like it's there. बहुत थोड़ा सा है, कभी-कभी बढ़ जाता है.
हाँ, पर कभी-कभी ट्रिगर हो जाता है,
हाँ,
तो
but mostly वो रहता दिमाग में है. It's
yeah,
not
and
like
like, it's at the very
हाँ,
back of your mind,
हाँ,
but it's there.
it's there. हाँ, you feel कि हाँ
रहता है,
वो
हाँ.
एक बात तुम्हारी जिंदगी में है. So
Yes.
let's थोड़ा closing notes पे थोड़ा lighter point पे जाते हैं.
Yes.
अपनी जिंदगी की कुछ अच्छी कहानियां सुनो, 3 interesting stories from your life, because your life
Oh
has
my
been
God, that's a very difficult thing to choose from.
फिर भी
Okay, what the hell? Okay. I'll just say the first thing that comes to my mind. So these are not achhi. These are the ones where I felt the most content. Okay, so this is January, when I had just completed my preliminary exams. Okay,
this January, the last time we were allowed to go out.
Amen. So okay, so I just got done with my preliminary exams, and usually the plan is go out with your friends, get drunk or some shit like that, and chill. Okay, but this time I was just like, you know what? I do not want to be in that uh what is the ambience right now.
See, एक
Okay,
मिनट,
because
बैटरी चल
हाँ,
जाएगी ना, कट ऑफ तो नहीं हो जाओगे बीच में?
hopefully नहीं 14% है, कुछ नहीं
हाँ
होगा.
ठीक है, ये आईफोन
मेरा
11
शक्ल आ
बैटरी
गया.
किंग.
हाँ. Okay, so हाँ, तो उस दिन like after my exam got ended, I took a lot of pressure and it was a very rough week for me. So I was just like, you know what, I don't want to do all that. फुकट बीटी होगा. So one of my friends, she also didn't want to go there. So like we went there for a minute because it was my friend's birthday. We ate, like she cut the cake and then we left. So we were in the cab. We booked a cab and we didn't know where we wanted to go. Okay. So we're just like, you know what, let's just go to the beach. So it was like a 15-minute cab ride. We reached the beach, like we got down at Marine Lines, we walked to the beach. Like mast aise gaane sun rahe the, sharing earphones, we walked. Then we walked at the beach and I had
just a
never
second, I'm
like,
pausing. Sorry, घर के काम, continue.
अरे नहीं कोई ना. Okay. हाँ, so we took a cab, we walked a bit, we reached the beach and I had never actually explored that beach. ठीक है, मतलब मैं जाती थी, थोड़ा खेलती थी, वापस आ जाती थी.
Which beach is it?
This is Gurgaon beach, which is like right beside Marine Lines. अरे नाम वो है, ठीक है.
तो भाई कहाँ
It's okay. We just usually call it Marine Lines वाला beach. अरे नहीं यार, ठीक है. हाँ, so
हमने कहा कैब में थी कि नशे में थी?
अरे यार चुप कर. So ठीक है, so we walked like we walked for at least 40 minutes, ठीक है, and we reached one end of the beach and वहाँ पे there was this small area जहाँ पे there were seashells but broken. Okay, and like we were walking, we collected seashells, we were singing. I don't even know why we can't sing for shit. And those are like broken
एक मिनट, you
seashells.
can sing for shit. Yeah, you sing well. ये ऐसे मत करो.
थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है. Public में नहीं. So yeah, so we walked, we found that one patch of broken seashells, we sat there, we listened to Imran Hashmi's songs, we ate like those vendors ka chaat, and we went. So okay, wait, is your video paused?
अब ठीक हो गया.
No, it's working. हाँ ठीक है. Yeah, so we ate chaat, like sasta sa 10 rupees wala, and in that beach, there's like a small area where there's pav bhaji and kulfi wala. Okay, we went there and we asked for a blue gola, milkmaid wala. It was butterscotch flavor. I don't even like butterscotch. Okay, we ate that whole thing just because it was blue. It was so dumb. Like उसके बाद हम लोग गए, खाना खाया, then she took a train home, I took a cab back to CST, and then I took a train home. And honestly, like we watched the sunset together and we were just talking about nonsense things, but like it was one of the best days in 2020. There's that. Then okay, so after 10th grade boards ke vacation ke time, I went on this one trek called Mount Diotibba. Okay, it's a mountain in the Himachal. And it was the first round trek that I've done. This is full Ye Jawani Hai Diwani type story, okay?
Yeah,
like you had to move from mountain to mountain and you camp there and like you make food and blah blah blah.
Proper J हो रहा हूँ इस समय में, but continue.
So yeah, it was the first like that kind of itna chalne wala trek that I had been to. Okay, we used to start at like 5 a.m., 6 a.m. We used to go with chai vai piyo, khana khao, then start trekking. You reach around 12 or 1. You sit, you eat your lunch, you go to some adventure activities, you come, you sleep. Okay, so
wow.
It was too good. Okay, like trekking between all those aesthetic places and staying in tents and sleeping bags and freezing your ass off. So tabhi it was the 5th day, and that was the day when we were gonna go to our peak. Okay, after that it was 3 days of just coming niche wapis. 5 days we climbed up, and then it was 3 days niche. So like that was the longest time I have ever walked. Okay, it was 7 hours, and there was a hailstorm in the middle.
Okay.
So we had to stop, and uske wajah se, because of the hailstorm, like everything was slippery. Okay, and at that altitude, you're not really able to breathe properly. So I was just like, listen, mere se nahi ho raha hai. After 5 hours, I just put my bag down, like mera 9 kilo ka bag मैंने नीचे रखा. I was like, I cannot do this. And then, so because of me, like मेरे पीछे जो लोग आए, वो लोग भी रुक गए. Okay. So then we were in the middle of a slopey mountain. All of us just put our bags and we're sitting in a circle. There's fucking goats nearby for some reason. There's a dog who's trekking with us. And like one of the people, he just started singing, and we were playing Antakshari there for like 20-30 minutes. It was just so beautiful. Like, मेरे को उतना खुशी तभी नहीं हुआ था जब I reached the peak. Okay. Jitna I had like just everyone sitting in the middle of a fucking mountain. Oh, by the way, we found like weed ka plants in the while trekking, just saying.
ये सुनो,
Pretty
पब्लिकली अनाउंस कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये सब खत्म हो गया ना, जैसे बकचोदी खत्म होने वाली, सब कर रहा हूँ मैं. सब कर रहा हूँ, लाइन से करूँगा सब. Publicly I'm announcing this shit. Yeah.
हमने कुछ किया नहीं यार, because when you're
I
trekking
mean,
you
ये
can't.
trekking. Like trekking and
हाँ,
shit.
हाँ, are you sure?
Walking on the beach and sand.
Yes, yes. So that's the second, and you want one more, no? Okay, this I can't remember, bro. क्या बोलूं मैं?
लॉकडाउन में कुछ हुआ तो बता दे. मतलब कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग.
Okay. Bro, क्या बोलूं? Shit. What is PG rated?
नहीं, I don't think
Oh,
इस पे
हाँ,
इतनी
बचते नहीं आने वाला, मेरे को पता
इतनी
है.
देर तक बहुत इंटरेस्टेड और अच्छे लोग ही सुन रहे होंगे.
Okay, dude, I don't know what is. I ठीक है, though. Third memory. Okay, in the lockdown, I started talking to this one guy, and it was like actually more than just a casual fling type thing, and that does not happen a lot with me. So of course, guys, I wasn't stupid enough to catch feelings over text. If that's what you're thinking, I'm not a hypocrite. So ठीक है, like I liked him as a person, and I was like, okay, ये chill है, इससे मैं मिलती हूँ. Okay. So one of my friends was going in that area to meet like for some work, and he's like, acha, okay, chal, like you also come with me for the drive because it's an hour drive from here. Okay. So he took me, we chilled for a few, and then like me and that guy, we went to his car, and we didn't do anything. Okay. We were in the back seat, we were cuddling, and we watched a movie. That's what we did for 2 hours. But he was so warm, dude. And I don't know, it's like the first time I'm having romantic feelings. So it was pretty amazing, dude. Like, I was the kind of person who doesn't believe in relationships. Sorry, still don't. But it's like right now, what I feel with our generation is that all of us are just into quick things. Relationship पे 3 महीने में खत्म हो जाएगा. You want flings which will last for 2 weeks and then it ends. Okay. But then being with this guy, it was actually like, it feels good to actually have someone. Instead of, what I think about hookup culture is that we just look for, happiness, and we look for comfort in those fleeting moments. Okay. जब तू उस बंदे से इतना close नहीं है emotionally, but like when you're physically close with someone, you find that comfort. It's pretty shitty. But that's what most of the people in our generation, including me, do. But then after meeting this guy, like it feels good to actually have an emotional connection with someone. Okay. And I did not have that with I've only had that with one guy before this. So I don't know, that's one good thing that has happened to me in the lockdown. So yeah.
That's nice. Like the part, like,
okay, sorry, 10%.
So the part of you was like during the whole podcast, like don't catch feelings, and like just punching those people with relationships. and towards the end
I
is
still don't.
woohoo.
No.
But like
I
I
still
felt
don't believe.
I
I
felt
still
good.
don't believe in relationships. It's okay. I still don't believe in relationships, and I've made that clear with the guy too. If you're
Yeah.
listening this, do not attack me. Shut up. but it's like I am still scared of getting into it. I still have my insecurities about the relationship because I've seen that happen to a lot of people around me. Like they think they find someone. They, like they're all over social media with their partner, and
So
then
cringe.
in the end, it just turns into something so ugly. Okay. So that's why I'm still not a big fan of relationships. I was like, bro, commitment nice, sorry, dad lagta hai.
Yeah.
But then, like, I'm also trying out new things, right? This has been me since last 18 years, but now, when I'm actually forming this bond, then I vibe with him, bro. We talk about art and shit. It's fun. So, like, when I've had that mindset my whole time, but I'm, now my ideals about that are changing. And I find like it's okay, dude. You can change. You're allowed to change. And some people just hold that against you like for a long time. Okay, no, you said this, now you're doing this. Yeah, bro, no shit. I grew.
Grew up, yeah.
I had new experiences and I changed my point of view. And like, we should really normalize that. Also,
Yeah.
guys, if you're not on Twitter, just install Twitter. It's like the best decision I've made this lockdown. Please install Twitter. Must
Your Twitter is like
रंडी रोना खाती हूँ मैं खाली.
like क्या जो डम थॉट्स आते हैं दिमाग में मस्त वो होता है.
My life is one dumb thought, please.
like अंडर एज पर इमरान हाशमी के साथ मेकआउट करना है.
What? Don't expose my Twitter. Hello. Okay. I was gonna ask something, यार मैं भूल गया. जाने दे, it's okay. मैं तेरे को पूछने वाला था.
पूछ लेना बाद में.
Oh yeah, you're starting a new college, Sid. Just say how you feel about that, and then we'll stop.
Yeah. See, I'm like with the course. Like this is a course that I never expected to be in. Like it's BA honors, liberal arts, arts. I'm a science student. मतलब it's like पहली बात तो ये आर्ट्स का कोर्स एकदम नया है and एकदम अनश्योर है. एक polar opposite to engineering.
तूने कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है इसके बारे में?
हाँ, polar opposite to engineering. जो कि it's like one of the most safe places you can be. मैंने अप्लाई करने से पहले नहीं पढ़ा था. लिटरली कॉलेज स्टार्ट होने के एक हफ्ते पहले मैंने सिलेबस देखा कि भाई कौन कौन सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Oh my god. Okay.
That it was like that. But now that I'm into it, I feel कि like I find the subjects interesting, and over the lockdown period, my love for philosophy has increased a lot. Very much.
I love that too. Like it's a very good subject to be interested in.
And there is a subject for philosophy in liberal arts. Also, there's creative writing. And मैंने जिंदगी में आज तक journal नहीं लिखा था. And creative writing has made me write journals, which again I'll cringe after.
Dude, but that's so amazing. Like you're doing things that you're actually interested in.
And yeah, बाकी I guess literature and history से familiar होने में थोड़ा time लगेगा, because वहाँ अपन कभी हुए नहीं. बाकी तो the course is very good, and I can't wait to be in college. Actually.
Let's go, मुंबई आ रहा से. आप मुंबई आओगे.
अब आएंगे.
नेहा कक्कर crying noises.
हाँ आएंगे. So on the ending notes of this,
guys who actually heard this whole thing, thank you.
Thank you so much.
मैं नहीं सुनती.
हाँ यार मैं भी quit कर देता शायद. So on the ending notes, I want to ask you about your ultimate goal, and not just academically, financially, spiritually. Where do you want to be in life?
Okay, so you know what? Wait. So in one of my classes, they actually this was actually an assignment for me when my classes started. So do you know about Maslow's pyramid? Okay, fuck it. No, I'm just gonna show this. Okay. So this is my pyramid. This is what I have to achieve in my life. Okay. So in the first thing, like in the base, it's motivation and drives. Okay. So it's basically the thing. So that is psychological motivations, like my food, my shelter. I need to be able to afford those. and the things which motivate me to live and to, keep achieving new things, keep trying new things. Then these three are on the same level for me, which is spiritual alignment, because, I really need that. And I'm a spiritual person. I'm not very religious, but I'm extremely spiritual. This is social security and status. I need to know where I belong with my friends, with my family, and in the society. This is self-actualization. Self-actualization is, you realize what your true potential is and you try to reach it. Okay. And on the top of my pyramid, it's content. At the end, I don't know when I'm going to die. I don't know if I'll get a new day. And I'm grateful for each day that I get. But, meko aisa nahi hai that when I sleep at night, I'm just like, what is this life that I'm living? I want to be content with the life that I've lived. I want to be content with the bad decisions. Yes. Not my purpose, not really. Like, I feel that, having one purpose kind of like, it stops you from getting more purposes. I feel like there could be a lot that I can do. But, I want to reach that point where I don't regret the bad decisions. I'm not, like unsure about the ones that I made. I just want to be satisfied with whatever I've done, whatever I've had. And yeah, so like happiness or something, in my opinion, isn't, my end goal. It isn't happiness. It isn't, having a family or, being accomplished. It's being satisfied with what I've done of myself. What's yours? I want to know.
For me, like, it's definitely money. Like, no, it's not a very. The thing is, with money, is people confuse. Like, when you say like you like money, they think of you as a materialistic person, which is not.
I don't understand that.
Money is needed. Bhai, khana kahan se laoge? Obviously, I need that. So, but लेकिन ऐसा भी नहीं कि I am one of those कि भाई पैसा कमाना है और कुछ नहीं करना. I'll manage my money the right way.
Money is a big part of your life, but you have other things.
I need to sustain myself. My dream is to be financially stable at the age of 22, so that I can feel.
Oh wow, that's
like I want to pay my higher education for myself. Then it would be.
That's actually pretty amazing.
Yeah. Then it would be getting better and better at stuff that I do. Like if I write,
improving yourself.
I want to improve myself a lot. I want to, let's say, I edit videos. I want to edit better and to learn new things. I want to be in that sphere. Also,
be the best version.
Not the best actually, but very good. Like basically,
the best of what you can do. In that field. Yeah.
Also, I feel I have to increase my communication skills a lot, and I have to meet new people. I have to gain new experiences, because looking at you, I feel like I've missed on a lot. I've missed on a lot. Okay, so I'm like,
so that's the thing. We're still young, yo. We have.
Yeah, so I'm like, okay, I'll do a lot of stuff.
Yes, guys. And, I hope like the ones who are viewing this also think this.
And then I want to be well read, like very well read. I want to read a lot.
Educated, like knowledgeable, not educated.
Knowledgeable about everything. Like right now, I'm reading this.
That's fucking admirable.
So I need to know, like need to know where I stand. I need to know what to do to get to a higher level. And then again, I may go for spirituality. Like I have started meditation, and
that's amazing.
Good.
Oh my god, I did too.
It's
in
good.
Lockdown, I started to.
And it's good.
Makes you feel so good.
Yeah, and I may be at a spiritual place. I may be not. And then finally, I have to give back. I have to give back as much as I can. I want to improve the people around me. I don't want to be the ones crying on social media कि भाई government कुछ नहीं कर रही, देश कुछ also like कि देश कुछ नहीं कर रहा, and look at all these children. I'm like, no, I'll earn a lot of money. You may call me a capitalist and hate on me, but I'll earn that money and I'll give back to the society as much as I can.
Exactly. Modern age Robin Hood, guys. This is still.
No, I'm not a Robin Hood. Okay, I believe in giving as much as I can, but like I'll not be hungry and feed the other person.
Yeah, of course not. Of course, makes sense, guys. It's
and
sustainability. It's not being a selfish or something. It's
and
being
as a, bo-
smart.
and as a bonus thing, I feel like I need emotional support because
Okay, like, but
there's
in
I
particular
face a
fields
lack.
or like,
No, like actual emotional support, like someone I can
okay.
cry to, like, but which is
Hmm.
kind of really missing from my life. I want that maybe sometime,
Okay.
maybe or maybe not. I don't know.
You'll, you'll find those hopefully in college.
थोड़ा भारी
ठीक
हो
है
गया
भाई,
यार.
बस करते हैं यार, ये लोग को नहीं सुनना, बस हो गया.
But I
Okay,
enjoyed it
guys.
a lot. What about you?
Me too, me too. Thank you for doing this, dude. I'm very happy about this thing. Like, it's like, oh, I got all of this out.
हाँ. Next, अगर अगली बार करेंगे तो we'll like I want this to do one episode physically too with you,
Done,
sitting
done.
somewhere.
In I got this new tripod stand for my birthday, guys. Let's do this.
Yes, we'll do it. So thank you everybody
Okay.
for listening to this long conversation. And
Yeah, if you're still listening, dude, mad props to you.
yeah, and
Thank you.
follow us, follow both of us, subscribe to
Please,
this.
please. Yes. Subscribe to this vlog, guys. Like, comment, share. I'm gonna be a YouTuber.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.